Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today I'm coming to you with this super quick and easy DIY upcycle of these beautiful spiked spheres that I found in the thrift shop. So if you want to see how I changed them up to suit my decor, just keep on watching. I recently picked these up at Value Village. They are little wall decor pieces. See, it has that little hook on the back that you can attach it to the wall. They were only 3 pieces. I've seen them in HomeSense as a set of like 5 or 6, and I think the set was like either $40 or $50. Can't remember. But anyway, I walked into Value Village and saw these. They are beautiful as they are. They are black with the gold tips, as you can see, but I want them all gold. I'm not going to use them on my wall. I'm going to use them as like vignette fillers. So if I make a vignette, I'll put them in there. And I'm going to use this metallic Rust-Oleum gilded brass spray and see how they turn out. I don't want them super bright, but I want them to have a golden effect to it. So I'm going to take it outside, spray paint it, and then when it dries, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here is one way I have incorporated these beautiful little spheres after spray painting them into my coffee table decor. As you can see here, I have them sitting on 2 coffee table books, and they just add so much more texture to the table, along with my candle in this mercury glass holder and my beautiful tulips in this what I call my golden tiara tray. And I have added some coasters. So here's another way that I have them displayed. I have placed them in my absolute favorite tray. You guys know I love this tray with some other items. They are actually sitting on top of these 2 huge battery operated candles that I thrifted. I'm not sure if they work yet, but if not, I will have other uses for them. But I think it just adds a little bit of an edgy touch, placing them on there. And the other one I just sat down right between the 2 candles. They're accompanied by my candle and this beautiful faux flower that I picked up a while back that's featured in one of my hauls. And to the side of that, I brought my leaf back with my coasters elevated by my books. Guys, here's another way I have styled them. And as you can see here, I have placed them in this lantern here. And this would look really nice at night if I added some lighting to it, just to make it illuminate a little bit more. So they're in my tray again with my maple leaf and the same faux flower in another vase on top of my coffee table book. And to the side, I'm just using one coffee table book here with the coasters on top and my candle. Okay, so I have added a bonus with these beautiful white tulips. I still have the tray with everything corralled in it, and here is how I have displayed these decorative pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. So you can see these are very, very versatile, guys. You can use them to add to your coffee table, any space really. Now these decorative pieces are intended for wall art to be displayed on your wall, but I wanted to use them differently and to be able to move them around my home in different spaces. So that is why I am choosing to use them as such. And if for any reason I don't want them to be this color anymore, I am just gonna spray paint them to whatever suits my decor. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me with this quick little DIY. This just goes to show that you can find things, you know, that you might like at the thrift store, and you can just add your own twist to it and use it however you see fit. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending some time with us. I would like to take this time to welcome you and to invite you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.